Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change DPI settings on your HONOR X7d. First, open the settings menu on your phone, then go to display and brightness section here. Once you are here, scroll down to display size or font settings menu. Let's start with the display size. Here you can move the slider to the right to make your display look larger, or to the left to make it look smaller. As for the fonts settings, you can adjust the text size here by moving the similar slider, and also you can adjust the text boldness. You can also change the font to any custom font that are available in the themes store. Just go to the text styles and select the font that you want right here. And that's basically how you change your DPI settings on your smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.